Happy Sunday, everybody. Me and my son are goofing off. We're gonna try to do a tricep pull on a crankshaft, small block Chevy. We got a little contraption, so I'm gonna have my wife video us. Oops, sorry, mama. Just go over here. We're gonna just go back there so you can see this. Here, with the phone though. As far back so you can see everything. See our little setup?
Yes.
Can you see?
We know.
Oh.
You know, it's that time. Let's get time like other people. We're gonna be too busy being in love. This is the real thing. We found the groove. We groove each other. We turn each other on. This is that. All we need to do is put some kind of sack. Yes. God. From then on, baby, it's easy. Let's talk about me and you.
That was good. Oh, it feels like the gym too.
Mechanics gym.
Alright. So you can come to the Bowtie Specialties gym. Membership is $1 a month. We'll see you next week.